Zafar Islam, we saw in West Bengal some of this poaching doesn't work. It's not a corporate scenario. Rajiv Banerjee unhappy with you, Mukul Roy unhappy with you. There are in villages droves of newbie BJP leaders who are going back to the TMC. And part of the reason that your party was unhappy or your old cadre was unhappy in West Bengal is because you brought all these Netas from the Trinamool Congress. Why have you taken Jitin Prasad? What do you think he brings to the table? Why is the BJP so excited?
Well, Rahul, you have to understand few things which is important, and that's why he has chosen to take this decision and we have chosen to take him in Bharatiya Janata Party. First, that he is a young, dynamic leader. He understands politics. He is the third generation in Indian politics. They have served the people. They have good connect with the people, and his aspiration, as he rightly pointed out, that he wants to serve the people. I know in first family, in Congress, the first family dominates everything, irrespective whether you have the potential, no potential, but you have to be given the responsibility because you are son of the party leader. So that is something which bothers most of the young and youth icon of Congress party, and currently they are in the party. But let me tell you, he is not the only one. Jyotiradittya Scindia is not the only one. There are many more. And who knows, could be Rohan Gupta also one day. Because it is not because of Bharatiya Janata Party, it is because they are the one who feel suffocated inside their own party. Because
Rohan, you just got an open job offer. You were just invited to walk over to the other side.
I don't want to make personal comment, but I have seen you in Congress control room in 2014. So let us not talk about that, Rahul. And I think you should not forget where Uttar Pradesh Congress handle Mr. Modi and Mr. Amit Shah is missing. So you discuss about that. It is your compulsion now because you are losing ground in Uttar Pradesh. So it is your compulsion. Let us not make personal comments, Zafar bhai. We have met in Congress control room in 2014. So that's why I don't want to go there.
Listen to me. I'm not making any personal comment. I'm just driving the point that you are young. You are also seen as a youth icon within the Congress family. And yet, I know there are many people. I have friends in Congress. There are many people who have aspiration. But there's no growth. And they want to serve. Their intent is not to make money.
But Rohan Gupta has an important point, Rashid Kidwai. Jitin Prasad was one of Rahul Gandhi's closest associates with greater access to RG than most people in the Congress. Point number two, he's been union minister. He was in charge of the West Bengal elections. He's been CWC member. What else can a party do? As far as the Congress is concerned, they gave him space as much as was possible. Why did he in the end choose to jump ship?
Well, it's very simple. It's a clash of egos. Remember, all these people who are leaving Congress and those who are running the Congress, they are second generation, third generation dynast. They don't come from organization. They have not done, much in public life. They came in politics just because their parents were in politics, whether it's a case of Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, or the other side, Jyotiradittya Scindia, Milind Devra, and Sachin Pilot, or Jyotiradittya Scindia and Jitin Prasad. So there is a clash of ego is very simple. They do not know the art of negotiation, sacrifice, patience, all kind of things that can go on. Second thing, Mr. Rohan Gupta may not like to admit, the Congress has been infiltrated. You see, there is a lot of people in the Congress, which Sitaram Kesri, Rajiv Sardesai would vouch, used to say कि इनके हृदय में कमल का फूल खिलाया है. That was the situation in 97-98 before Sonia Gandhi took over. So there is a huge list. Now, how many people can BJP accommodate as union ministers, as Rajya Sabha members? That's up for grab. I don't want to speculate, but there are many people waiting in the queue. They just need a green signal. If you remember, March 23rd, 2019, it was Mr. Jyotiradittya Scindia who had stopped virtually, physically, whichever way, emotionally, stopped Jitin Prasad from joining BJP that day.